all of that to say, let me show it to you. They reached out to me and offered to send me a couple packs to share with you guys, to try it out myself and to share with you guys. So they sent me two 25 count packs, which is their smallest size. And then they sent me one 50 count pack. It's packaged in these plastic bags, embroidery thread, 50 colors. You can see there's only one paper tag on them rather than the two that come on DMC, but you can see the numbers are the same number system as DMC. For example, these reds here, we have 666, 817, 321, and 816. So 4 of the most commonly used like Christmas reds right there. So, and you can see here, this is a 50 pack, and they do a pretty good job of giving you a little bit of every color. We got reds, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, tan, white, black, peach. They do a pretty good job, I think, in giving you a wide color selection. And from what I'm gonna pull one out. From what I can see and feel, it feels very similar to DMC. It's definitely a mercerized cotton. Mercerization is what makes DMC cotton shiny. Cotton is not naturally shiny. Mercerization is a chemical process that it goes through, usually after or during the dye process, that makes it shiny. It lays all the cotton fibers down really smoothly and makes them shiny. It is definitely mercerized cotton. You can see it's got a little bit of a sheen on it. It is a 6-strand, just the same as DMC, and it looks very similar. It might be ever so slightly fluffier than DMC, which some people prefer. I know there are some people who really prefer anchor floss to DMC because they find it a little bit fluffier, which gives a slightly better coverage. So you might actually find you prefer this to DMC. You can see that beautiful sheen on it. It's definitely mercerized cotton. If you are new to cross stitch, are looking for a way to get a larger quantity of thread for cheaper than you can get it in the stores or online, DMC, this might be a good option for you. For $90, you can get a full set of colors, 447 colors. That's a lot, okay? So it might be worth a shot. It might be worth checking out if that kind of consideration applies to you. So it seems perfectly reputable to me. I mean, they sent me everything and I haven't had any problems. So, give it a shot if it's worth it to you. I'm really curious about this thread because I know people complain all the time. DMC is getting real expensive. And this might be a good option for you. It really does seem to be very nice quality threads.